Hello everyone, Michael with Weeby 3D Printing, here to show off our latest product. Testing it out, I've been wearing it for about 2 days, make sure it's nice. It's got a nice Velcro connection there. Got the soft side on your skin, and it's very flexible. Don't think you have to worry about this breaking. I'm just really worried about testing out the connector. I've got Velcro glue. That's what I really wanted to test out. But the TPU is very, very durable. Very durable. Soft. Well, it's kind of soft. Flexible, so these won't really hurt you.